Okay, so we're going to talk about hydrogenation now. And hydrogenation is just adding hydrogen to a double bond or triple bond. So every time I add a hydrogen, I'm just adding and breaking a double bond and putting hydrogen back in. So when I do that to a double bond, I just need one H2 to break one double bond. Here I've got two H2, so I'm going to break two double bonds. When I do that, I'm just going to add and make that all single bonds. So when I do that, I get this, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is butane. Here we've got a condensed structure. We've got two double bonds. We've got two H2s. So I'm just going to make those single bonds, and I'm going to end up with this condensed structure, all single bonds. Notice each time I have to have a catalyst. It either is nickel or platinum. All right, so let's go on to the next part here. This one, you have a mystery molecule that you're adding hydrogen to in the presence of nickel, the catalyst, and you're getting this. Now, because you don't know what you started with, there's more than one correct answer here. So let's go ahead, and you could have a double bond any of these places. So the first place is here, which could also be right here. So you could have the double bond either place, because remember, you could have this bent or it's straight, it is the same. You could also have a double bond at this place right here. You could have had a double bond at this place right here. Any of these places would have given, in the presence of hydrogen, this molecule right here, which would have been 2-methylbutane. All right, so let's go forward one more. This is another way that they have it here. You've got a cyclic that has double bonds in it, and you have some amount of R that's added in the presence of X to give you a cyclic that has no double bonds. So the chemical of R would have to be H2, because we're getting rid of the double bonds and there's nothing else added to it. So we're going to say it's H2. The coefficient N, well, we have two double bonds, so there's going to be a 2 there. And some other X has to be present, because we know that we have to have a catalyst there. So yes, it could be nickel or it could be platinum. So we're going to say nickel, but you could have put platinum there. One of those needs to be present. So that's the last that we're going to do on hydration. Let's go ahead and stop here, and we'll hit the next topic.